AMC stockholders, good news. Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. In a recent development, Gary Gensler, the head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, revealed that his office has been flooded with complaints from individual investors regarding the dark pools and the execution of their orders. Reports suggest that the number of complaints received ranges between 6,000 to 7,000. Concerned about the impact of these issues on individual investors, the SEC is now gearing up to address the problem and has additional proposals in the pipeline. This revelation comes just 9 days after Gary Gensler faced questioning during a hearing where he was asked why the SEC pursues cases that they end up losing, incurring costs to taxpayers. In response, Gensler explained that the SEC operates as a 5-member commission, and any decision to bring a case against an individual or entity is subject to a voting process. He emphasized that cases are only pursued when there is sufficient evidence to support a win. However, the recent announcement of the SEC's intent to bring charges against Virtu Financial seems to indicate Gensler's confidence in the strength of their case against the market player. It is worth noting that Virtu Financial has faced criticism for not offering the best pricing in free trades, which aligns with some of the complaints the SEC received from individual investors. The complaints filed by individual investors cover a wide range of grievances, and social media platforms like Reddit and Weibo have been abuzz with investors sharing their experiences and frustrations. Many have reported that their orders were not executed on the lit markets as expected. This raises questions about the proportion of orders being executed on the New York Stock Exchange compared to other venues. If the SEC's actions are indeed aimed at addressing this issue, it could potentially result in a significant shift in the market dynamics. One of the points of contention with Virtu Financial is their claim of providing infinite liquidity to investors. Such an assertion has raised eyebrows and skepticism among investors and analysts alike. The idea of infinite liquidity in the stock market, where the supply of shares is theoretically unlimited, is viewed as unrealistic and unprofessional. Market dynamics, such as the number of outstanding shares and institutional ownership, impose natural limitations on liquidity. The potential lawsuit against Virtu Financial is likely to send ripples throughout the financial industry. Similar players in the market would undoubtedly become cautious and reassess their practices to avoid facing similar action from the SEC. Patterns in the financial sector often lead to investigations of other major players when one comes under scrutiny. This was evident during the financial crisis when several major banks faced investigations and consequences for their actions. Gary Gensler has been a controversial figure, particularly with his stance on cryptocurrencies, which has upset many in the crypto community. Despite the criticism, some believe that he has the potential to bring about positive changes in the financial markets. However, the question remains, will these changes primarily benefit hedge funds and institutional investors? Or will individual retail investors also see improvements in their trading experience? In conclusion, the influx of complaints received by the SEC regarding dark pools and the execution of individual investor orders has prompted the regulatory body to take action. The SEC, under the leadership of Gary Gensler, is actively working to address these issues and has additional proposals in the works. The decision to pursue charges against Virtu Financial indicates the SEC's determination to hold market players accountable for their actions. As this situation unfolds, it may impact the behavior of other major players in the market, making them more cautious about their practices. While Gary Gensler's approach has been met with both praise and criticism, there is hope that his actions will lead to a fairer and more transparent financial market for all stakeholders involved. Only time will tell how these developments will shape the future of the financial industry. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching,